Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I am at Mangal village here. They call something like that at Netravali in South Goa. So I covered this unexplored place in my previous episode. So from here I'm heading towards Saudi on Kankona. So I'll try to show you on the way what comes there. Big mountain will come, then I cross that mountain. Let's see what we can see there. So if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then guys. Okay, so I came from here. That's the U-turn there, and this is the road from down there. It's a sharp U-turn there here, and I will go here. Deep forest here in this area. So let's go. So guys, this is the village there on the mountain from where I've come now. In my previous episode, it's called Mangal village there on that mountain. So it's a total full zoom here. I'm on the other mountain there. So this is it. So now I'm going to this way. From here, only few traffic passes here. All the road got slippery. It's very hard to ride here a bike. So I am on the mountain here now. It's very huge mountain and very big ghat also. So they have temple here. They worship here, lots of bells. Pike Dev, Sri Pike Dev. This temple is in Sangam also. I know that. I've been there in Sangam area, Pike Dev. This temple here also. It's a Pike Dev. So guys, I'm other side now. There's a checkpost on the mountain there, forest checkpost. So this is the mountain. From that place I have to go down. It starts raining now heavily again. So I'm going down there from this place. Some boys are also there. They're enjoying monsoon at this place. So I have been this in the area before. There's a huge mountain there. You won't be able to see in this cloudy place also. Okay, let's go down. Okay guys, on the way I found a waterfall here, inside here. I'll just go and try to show you what you can see there, that place. Okay, here, and there's the fall there, that place. I'll go a little bit further from here. Guys are having fun at this place. So even I'll try to show you this also. There's lots of waterfall on this road. In little bit further also, I can show you something more also here. Okay. This one. So guys, on that big fall, it's not allowed to swim there because the water pressure is very high there. The police van was there to tell the people to not to swim there. So I just captured some pictures there and came from that place. I'm on the other side now. So this is the area here. So I'll go to Chavdi from here. Okay guys, so here I am now. You see this? This is Bhupar Fall road here, and this signboard they have here. Tourists are not allowed in their village because of Corona. So guys, I will end this video from this Bhupar area here. It's almost 6 o'clock now, so I have to go home from here. I already covered this Bhupar waterfall also in my couple of months back video. You can check out there. So if you like this ride, my videos, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. Okay then guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.